Good morning, student. We have already discussed the concept of cell cycle and its stages. The objectives of the today are: what is checkpoint? Three types of checkpoint. Regulation of cell cycle. Now, we will start the topic checkpoint of cell cycle. We know that normal cells move in a cell cycle in regulated way. If the cell is not moving in a regulated way, then it causes uncontrolled division that spread in the body like cancer or tumor. This regulation or control makes sure that cells do not divide in unfavorable conditions. Unfavorable conditions like DNA damage, proteins are not available properly, pH level is not maintained properly, temperature is not maintained. So both internal and external signals has been examined to decide whether the cell to move for division or not. So there are many checkpoints in cell cycle. Now question is, what is checkpoint? So students, checkpoints are control mechanism in the eukaryotic cell cycle which ensure its proper progression. Now open your book, page number 7. The events of cell cycles are coordinated by checkpoints and feedback control. These checkpoints stop the entry of next phase of the cell cycle until the events of the earlier phase have not been completed. There are many checkpoints in the cell cycle, but the most major important checkpoints are G1, G2 and M checkpoint. G1 checkpoint is also known as restriction checkpoint. G2 is also known as G2M transition, and M checkpoint is also known as spindle assembly checkpoint. Now students, we are going to discuss all these checkpoint in detail. First is G1 checkpoint. G1 checkpoint is called restriction checkpoint. Now question is, what are the role of this checkpoint? It ensure or check cell size. Is the cell size is enough large to divide? If the cell size is not large, it give negative signal and cell cycle halt. It also check the availability of nutrients, whether there is enough raw material, ATP and another nutrients are available or not. For example, enzymes and proteins are required for S phase. It also checks molecular signals. It checks external signals that whether positive signal growth factors are proper or not. It also checks DNA integrity, whether the DNA is intact or broken. In this phase, cyclin and CDK, which are proteins that activates. Now next students, we are going to discuss about the G2 checkpoint. It ensures DNA replication. It checks was the DNA copied properly in S phase or not. It also checks DNA integrity, whether DNA is intact or broken. If minor errors are found, cell cycle halt and cell perform several repair mechanisms to repair damaged DNA. Or if the damage is not possible to repair, then cell perform apoptosis, means programmed cell death, which ensure that damaged DNA should not pass to daughter cell and helpful in preventing cancer also. Now student, next we are going to discuss about M or spindle assembly checkpoint. It ensures that chromosomal attachment to spindle fibers. Its cells also look for the misplaced chromosomes, means whether all the chromosomes are attached or not. Some are floating in cytoplasm. If any misplaced chromosomes is found, mitosis stop. It also gives time to the spindle fiber to catch the stray chromosome. Now students, there is one question, explain various checkpoint of cell cycle. Now students, write and solve this question on your copy. Next students, we are going to discuss topic regulation of cell cycle. First thing we need to know that why there is need to control and regulate cell cycle. Because uncontrolled divisions can lead into harmful effect like cancer or tumor. What kind of decision need to made, whether to stop or progress? Now, the important points. First is cyclin. Cyclin is the family of protein that control the progression of cell through cell cycle by activating cyclin-dependent kinase, enzymes or groups of enzymes required for synthesis of cell cycle. They undergo a constant cycle of synthesis and degradation during cell division. When cyclins are synthesized, they act as a activating protein and bind to CDK and form a cyclin-CDK complex. This complex acts as a signal to a cycle to pass to the next cell cycle phase. Now student, CDK kinase are the families of protein kinases. They are involved in regulating transcription, messenger RNA processing, and the differentiation of nerve cell. Now student, open the page number 8. Now look at the figure 1.3. Now in this figure you can see there are different phases of cell cycle: G1, S phase, G2 and M phase. So there are three mechanisms to control the progression of cell cycle. First is cyclin synthesis and degradation. In this phase you can see cyclin undergo a cycle of synthesis and degradation in each phase of the cell, but the level of CDK will remain same. Now in this diagram, now we see in each phase cyclin and CDK is working. Then how can you know that which cyclin and CDK is working in which phase? So there is a one trick to remember. Now first you write cell phases S, G2, M and G1. Then write alphabets A, B, leave the C, D and E. Then write number and learn this number like a telephone number: 211246. Now student, you see in S phase cyclin A and CDK 2 and 1 is working. Now look at here. In S phase cyclin A and CDK 1 and 2 is working. In the same way, now G2 cyclin B and 1 is working. Now look at the diagram. In G2 phase cyclin B and CD1K is working. Then in M no cyclin and CDK is there. Now look at the diagram. There is no CDK and cyclin is there. In G1, in early stages, cyclin D bind with CDK 4 and 6. Now look at the diagram. Cyclin D bind with CDK 4 and 6. And in late stages, cyclin E bind with CDK 2. Now again look at the diagram. Now second mechanism is phosphorylation and dephosphorylation. Phosphorylation is the addition of inorganic phosphate into ADP to form ATP with the help of kinases enzyme. And dephosphorylation is removal of phosphate from ATP to ADP. Now third mechanism is binding of CDK inhibition and protein. Now in the absence of regulation, cell cycles stop. an arrested cell enter a quiescent stage G0 of the cell. So student, we have completed the discussion of this topic. We will continue by tomorrow. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.